Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we will be making brown sugar bread. Brown sugar bread, super easy, minimal ingredients. Everyone has these ingredients in their pantry. Why, you ask? Well, because today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies, grandmommies, fur mommies, every mommy, every day. Happy Mother's Day. This recipe is really special to me because when Mom used to make this recipe, the next day, which was usually Mother's Day, I'd surprise her with breakfast in bed and make French toast out of this brown sugar bread. The recipe and the links to the products you see here will be in the description below. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please do us a huge favor. Click that thumbs up button, click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Let's make this delicious brown sugar bread.